Mirror images. Characteristics of mirror images. When mirror is kept vertically, the way we use it in our houses, our left side will form the right side of the image and our right side will form the left side of the image. This is called lateral inversion. Look at the girl in the picture. She is raising her right hand while her image is raising its left. Top and bottom of a figure remain unchanged in mirror image, that is, image is upright. Mirror images of letters. Easiest way to think of mirror images of letters or numbers is to flip them along the mirror. Top remains top, bottom remains bottom, but left becomes right and right becomes left. So the part of figure which is closer to the mirror will appear closer to mirror in image also, and farther end will appear farther from the mirror in image also. Let's have a look at the mirror images of capital and small alphabets. For convenience, we have classified alphabets with same mirror images and alphabets with different mirror images separately. Please have a look. Alphabets with same mirror image, they will be symmetrical along the vertical axis. Alphabets with different mirror images will not be symmetrical along the vertical axis. Small letters with same image, with same mirror image. Small letters with different mirror image. Again, the letters with different mirror images will be asymmetrical along the y-axis or along the vertical axis. Mirror images of numbers. Some common mirror images we see in nature. Quiz time. Question number 1. You have 5 seconds. Select the correct mirror image. Answer is D. Flip the word. So each and every letter is flipped. Plus the sequence of the letters will be same as they are from the mirror. L-A-I-C-I-F-E. Similarly here, L-A-I-C-I-F-E. Question 2. Select the suitable mirror image of the word rendezvous. 5 seconds. Answer is option C. Which of the following is the correct image of the given symbol? Answer is option A. Select the correct mirror image of time shown in the digital clock. Answer is option D. Choose the image of the given figure. Answer is option C. We only have to change the directions of the arrows, which are pointing left or right, or diagonally left or right. Up and down arrows will remain same. Question 6. The mirror image of the figure given below is. Option D. Observe it carefully, like we discussed in question 5. Direction of arrows up and down are not going to change, and direction of arrows which are towards left or right will change. Rest of the symbols will be flipped. Question 7. Choose the suitable image if mirror is kept to the left of the frame. Answer option D. Here we have to flip the symbols towards left because mirror is kept to the left. Question 8. Select the correct mirror image. Answer is option B. Again, we'll just change the direction of the arrows which were pointing left and right. The arrows which were pointing up and down are not going to change their direction, and the arrows which were pointing diagonally up towards right, they will still be pointing diagonally up but towards left. The arrow which was pointing diagonally down towards right will point diagonally down towards left. So even along the diagonal, up and down will not change, only left and right are going to change. Question 9. What is the time in the mirror image of the above wall clock? Answer is option B. We first have to imagine the mirror image of the clock, or you can draw it also. It will look something like this, and then see what is the time in the mirror image. In the mirror image, time is 10 minutes to 2 or 1:50. Hope this video was helpful. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos. If you want videos on any reasoning or maths topics, send your suggestions to mathological001@gmail.com. You can also comment. Thank you.